Hi guys, welcome to this video. And actually, today I'm sick, but I'll show you a few of my new Rubik's Cubes. Okay, first of my new Rubik's Cube. Soon I'll come back, I'll just need to get it. It's this 8x8. It actually turns decently. Yeah, you can actually hear that I'm sick. I don't really speak that correct. And I'm not using my normal language that I use in every of my shorts, because yeah, I'm sick and I can't actually do those sounds. But this is my 8x8, so it's a very truly classroom 8x8, and I also got another new and a good cube, which is the GAN 460M. I'll show you how it looks like. Well, this is the GAN 460M. You can see the GAN logo. It turns not bad. It's magnetic. This is a magnetic cube. And actually, I also took off my logo on my GAN 356M, which is this one. Yeah, this is my first Rubik's Cube video, so I don't think you know, but I am a Rubik's Cube collector. I have around 21 Rubik's Cubes. Yeah, I'm a cube collector, and my biggest one is that 8x8 that I just got. I also have a Gigamix. And yeah, you know, this cube doesn't turn that bad. I really like this cube. Like, it has magnets, but I don't have any lube. So I didn't lubricate it, so it's a bit stiff. But I mean, it's okay. I'll try a quick solve on this cube, and we'll see how it goes. Okay, so I solved it. It's actually very fast turning. It's very good. And like, yeah, bye. This was just a quick introduction to my YouTube career. And yeah, bye. See you next time.